For more of Nigeria's finest tourist attractions, kindly click the subscribe button. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at Experiencing Naija. Geographically located in the middle belt of the country, a major makeup of Benue State tourist sites and attraction are its hilly terrains. Experiencing Naija brings to you some of Nigeria's most beautiful sceneries from the hills of Benue State. Two of its most famous are the Ushongo Hill and Leiv Mountain. In Ushongo Local Government area, a collection of hills resulting in a beautiful hilly landscape. The biggest of them all is known as the Ushongo Hill. It is a monument of the Usman Danfodio War and the pride of Ushongo people. Surrounding the hill are small communities with thatch-roofed huts, mud bands, and hospitable rural dwellers. Every Yuletide season, a picnic is held at the top of the hill where locals and visitors make merry with music and food. The view from the hilltop is that of a serene rural setting. Leiv Mountain, popularly known as the Ikyogen Hill, is located in Ikyogen, Kwande Local Government area of Benue State. Locals claim that this mountain used to be a habitat for monkeys and a grazing ranch for cattle. But long after the hill served as a temporary camp for Cameroonian refugees, this tourist site and attraction remains deserted and is yet to regain its lost glory. Locals who live around, however, still find hiking on Leiv Mountain recreational. No doubt, the Benue Hills feature some of the country's most beautiful scenery and nature, a perfect location for exploring and adventurous hiking for indigents and tourists alike. For more of Nigeria's finest tourist attractions, kindly click the subscribe button. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at Experiencing Naija.